Start me up, get me in motion. Like the fuse and step away.
Mga babae
I'm
nyo.
feeling every new emotion. Turn me loose, I came to play. Yeah. And now I'm running free, running free. There ain't no shackles that are holding me, holding me. Won't hear me making no apologies, apologies. Now I'm running free, nothing's stopping me. I'm jumping in. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. I'm jumping in. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. Jumping in.
Hello B, today you become my wife. Ayan, one of our dream sa harap ng altar.
Hi palagi. Today is special day to us, especially to me because it was my mama's birthday.
I remember when my mama said na pag mag-aasawa kami, pumili kami ng hindi umiinom at naninigarilyo. Mama, I got mine. I know, happy ka for me.
We're looking at the same stars, even when we're apart. No matter where you are.
Di ba dati, may pick-up line ako sa'yo na photo album ka ba? Kasi sa bawat larawan ng aking buhay, ikaw ang gusto kong makasama. Ito na yun, we will start new chapter of our life na kung saan bawat picture natin magkasama na tayo sa bawat importanteng senaryo ng ating
'Cause it's you I've been looking for, I've been searching for. Yeah, it's you. The search is over, the search is over.
I remember 4 years ago, when we met, takot ako sa'yo kasi mukha kang masungit. Kaya iniiwasan kita makatransaksyon. Pero nung nakilala kita, doon ko nalaman kung gaano kahaba yung pasensya mo. At pagtsatsaga mo sa akin, kahit may mga times, hindi na ako kamahal-mahal.
I vow to you that I will love, support you, to care deeply, and to know you better than anyone else. I will always by your side, handang makinig sa chika mo, and my arms will be your people.
'Cause it's you. I've been looking for, I've been searching for. 'Cause it's you.
I remember when I was broken, I always pray and talk to God na sana pag binigyan niya ako ng lalaki, yun yung forever ko na. At kung hindi pa, wag na siya sa akin magpakilala. God was so good kasi binigay ka niya sa akin ng higit pa sa pinagdarasal ko. I promise that I'm always here to support you. Wag lang 3 beses ng basketball sa isang araw. I promise to cook you every time na mag-crave ka. I promise that I'm always here through ups and downs. I did not promise but I try my best na humaba din yung pasensya ko katulad ng pasensya mo. Alam ko hindi madali ang pag-aasawa. Pero for me, basta't may ikaw at ako, makakayanan natin lahat ng pagsubok na magkasama. At si God ang maging center ng relationship natin. Let's build our dream together. Thank you for always there for me. Our soon turns to finally. I love you every single week.
Nothing is sweeter than love, nothing stronger, nothing more pleasant. Love is born from God. Ang love ang panghawakan natin habang buhay. I promise I will respect and care for you. My heart will be your shelter. Love you.
Search is over, the search is over. I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. myself. Said you gotta go get it. Daylight, don't stay long, don't stay long.
Thank you. To baby, I give you this para pag nagbabasketball ka, alam mo kung anong oras kang uuwi. See you at the end of the aisle. I love you.
This is my moment, this is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna own it, I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. When the morning comes.
Hello, B. Sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko sa'yo. Parang tayo to. Hindi kompleto kapag wala ang isa. See you later, B.
Just get the best of me and gon' shine, 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 shine. I ain't gonna wait no more. The world is gonna see me glow. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment.